Note that the stay-level desk may not work with floor-mounted, spring system Murphy beds. If you have built your DIY Murphy bed with the other brand of DIY Murphy bed in the market that has the pivot point located at 11 3/4 inches from the floor, then you need to install the lower cabinet plate at 8 1/4 inches from the floor as shown here. Use a pencil to mark the 2 holes on the plate on the bed cabinet. For all other brands of DIY Murphy beds that use the piston mechanism, you need to determine the pivot point of the bed before you can set up the stay-level desk. The pivot point is where the bed frame rotates inside the bed cabinet frame. For most brands of DIY Murphy beds, usually the pivot point will be located anywhere from 10 to 12 inches from the bottom of the cabinet sides, as shown here. You may need to refer to the instructions that came with your DIY Murphy bed to determine its pivot point location. The lower cabinet plate must be mounted at 3.5 inches below the pivot point of your bed for the desk to work properly. The desk will not stay leveled if you do not mount the cabinet plate balancing arm at 3.5 inches below the pivot point of your DIY Murphy bed. This is very important and must be followed as shown here, or the desk will not stay leveled.